There comes the rescue.
Oh, okay. So you don't know if you went to breakfast? Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna probably
Tiningnan mo siya, sabi mo, ang dali lang oh.
our paddle.
Dali-dali lang yan.
We're gonna head
Pag
over
siyang nagpapan, sabi mo, ang dali lang yan.
on your cell phone.
Kaya namin yan.
Hindi, mali kasi paghawak ng ano, hindi kasi nagwawalis.
Hindi kasi marunong humawak ng mga gamit.
Okay, bye-bye. Bakit siya ang bilis niya?
Oo nga. Para lang siyang
Kaya nga, hindi na marunong magwalis. Kaya hindi na marunong humawak ng ganyan.
Tignan mo, oh. He does it in such ease.
Para lang siyang naglalakad.
Oo.
Sarap mo, gamitin na din yung ganyan. Magkuhan lang siya.
Ay, ito tapos ko pala.
Masarap din gamitin mag-snorkeling. Yung
Bakit hindi ka na mag-ano?
Ha?
Kailan ko mag-paddleboard ka pa?
No, we're gonna get have breakfast.
Okay. Ay. Can't see you. Yay! You made it! Come on, you still have to. Survivor. Survivor. How can you join extreme games if you cannot? No, you were able to figure it out, huh? Oh, oh, it's nice. Huh? Thank you. You didn't even bring the brush.
I know.
Getting tired. Ha? Bakit? Oh, pwede rin. Pwede rin. Wala naman tayong gagawin.
Let's go, let's catch breakfast.
Oo nga eh.